Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to host HTML and PHP pages or a full website on your local machine. I will also show you how to access the hosted pages on your LAN network on any other device which is connected to your Wi-Fi. For this we will be using XAMPP Server. To know how to install XAMPP on your PC, please follow the link in the description or in the info box. Now let's start by creating simple HTML page. This is a simple HTML Hello World program. It has a head and a body and a Hello World to display. I'm saving it on my desktop as my test HTML page.html. I will also be creating a simple Hello World program using PHP and I will be saving it on my desktop as my test php-page.php. Now close your editor and double click on the file which you created. As you can see, this is the basic way of viewing your contents of the HTML file on any browser. The URL of the page is the path where the file is located, which is nowhere accessible on any device. In order to host the file, now open your file manager, go to C drive, go to XAMPP folder, search for htdocs folder, open htdocs, create a new folder called my test site, which will be a prefix to your website URL, where you can paste all your files of your website. Now go to your desktop and copy the files which you just created. Go to that folder and paste it. Instead of these two files, you can paste any of your website files here and you should be able to access. Now open your XAMPP control panel and start your Apache server and also your MySQL server. Note the port 81 in my case. Now go to Chrome and enter localhost 81 my test site / the file name. Now you can see the page is loaded on localhost and you can see the content of the page. Now let's also try to access the PHP page localhost 81 my test site / the file name. As you can see, the PHP page is also rendered. Now your website pages are successfully hosted on your local machine and can be accessed at any time when the server is hosted within the local machine. But if you want to access the pages on other device which is connected to your LAN network, follow the further steps. Open command prompt or any terminal you have. Type ipconfig to view your IPv4 information. Copy your IP address from here. Go to your XAMPP control panel. Stop all the services which are running. Click on config. Open http.conf and change the port numbers to 8080. You will find it somewhere more. Just scroll down and here change the localhost to your IPv4 address and port to 8080. Save it and close the file. Config and open XAMPP config. We need to change the PHP configuration here from request local to request all granted. Copy request all granted from here. Scroll down where you find XAMPP / phpMyAdmin. You have request local here, change it to request all granted. Save the file and close it. Now go to config, open service and port settings and change the port to 8080. If you fail saving it, try opening the XAMPP control panel as admin. Now start your services. Also MySQL, note the port, it is running on 8080. Now open your Chrome and change the localhost to your IPv4 address. Copy it from here. Change the port number. Now you can access the website or the pages from any device which is connected to your LAN network. Thank you.